Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. This is a series that I started showing how you can use your Dollar Tree stickers to make beautiful cards. So let's get started. So what I'm using today is a little bit different. Like I've done before. I'm using a rub-on transfer. So this is a metallic one from Dollar Tree. It has several different little flowers on here, little florals, and you can see where I've cut them out to use them. But this is the design that I'm using this time around. I also am using an embossing folder by Bug. It doesn't have a name, but it's really pretty design. You'll be able to see it better on the card when I share it. Also tried something new that I've been wanting to use and haven't been able to locate or in stock. And it's this Stampera Contour Gold. It's kind of like Nouveau Drops maybe, but it's has this real slender tip, and so you can kind of get little precision drops. And this is the color gold. So let's look at the card. Let's see. So here's my card this time around. I just used some cardstock from my stash. It's a basil that I get at Joann. I have a sentiment here. I'm not sure where that one's from. If you really want to know, I'll let you know. And then, just comment below and I'll let you know. This sentiment is cut out with the Cricut glitter paper, which is the only glitter paper I use. I do believe they are phasing it out. I was on their site recently and noticed that all the other colors that I used to purchase are gone. They just have the silver and the gold. So I ordered a couple of those just to put in my stash in case. And so this is the little rub-ons that I use. I just cut out some cardstock with my punches and then just, layered it with the gold color, which is from, I think this is Spellbinders Gold. And I think it turned out really cute. It's super simple. And I love the colors and the texture that the embossing folder has made on the paper. So let me know what you think below. This is, like I said, part of my Dollar Tree sticker series video. And while this is not actually a sticker, it's a rub-on, but I like to include those too. So let me know what you think below. And I appreciate you watching, commenting, thumbs up. That lets me know that you like this series, and I'll continue with it. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.